he is one of my student. Hi, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, myself is Shahrukh. I am from Madhya Pradesh, near Bhopal.
Okay. So आप कौन से year में हो अभी?
Yes, I am in the first year and I have completed my first year.
Okay, you have completed your first year.
Yeah.
Okay, share your some experience about the education about this university.
The education is very nice system of the education of learning. The skills are very good. Teachers are also good over here. They are friendly, and everything is okay about the university.
Okay, everything is safe in the city.
Yeah, it is the safest city.
Okay, you are staying in the apartment or where you are staying right now?
Yeah, I am staying in the apartment now.
Okay, मतलब आपको कुछ खाने की दिक्कत ऐसा कुछ होता है इधर?
नहीं, यहाँ पे खुद भी बना सकते हैं। और दूसरा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट, एक दो इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स भी अब खुल चुके हैं जो कि पहले नहीं थे, और अब खाना भी अच्छा मिलता है यहाँ पे। और हॉस्टल्स भी है, यदि आते से स्टूडेंट्स को रहने के लिए यदि कोई दिक्कत हो तो वो कुछ सब हॉस्टल्स में रह सकते हैं। TRC लेना भी ईजी है, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होती है।
ओके, मतलब कुछ दिक्कत नहीं आता है ना, कुछ फूड इश्यूज ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है,
कोई
राइट?
इशू नहीं।
ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट सेफ्टी?
अच्छी सेफ्टी अच्छी है यहाँ पे, और मतलब यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा आपको हर 1-2 किलोमीटर पे पुलिस की एक नई व्हीकल तो मिल ही जाती है। यहाँ पे रात में पेट्रोलिंग भी होती है पुलिस की, इस वजह से कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है, सेफ है पेट्रोल।
ओके, आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हो फॉर द अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स?
बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी यू कैन कम हियर, education is also good.
Okay, thank you for sharing.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me about yourself.
Yes, myself Rajesh Shikari and I am from the Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Okay, can you please explain about the education system of Kaki Central State University?
Yeah, it is in Akaki. In Kutaisi there is a two university, one Kutaisi and Akaki. But compared to them, Akaki is the best. And one is this medical. We are at the medicine faculty. So the education system is pretty good, and here all the staff and all ma'ams, even the dean ma'ams, they are all pretty eco-friendly, and they teach us in simple way, so we can understand it all.
You are in the second semester right now?
Yes, I have completed first and second sem both.
Okay, and what about the culture and hostel and everything about this Kutaisi?
Yeah, it's very pretty good. The culture, the Georgian culture is very good. The people are also very good, eco-friendly, and mostly, yeah, they are helpful. Even if you get some troubles on road, or if you want to help, you can ask them. They are comfortable to help us.
Okay, thank you. He is another students from Kaki Central State University. Tell me about yourself.
Hello ma'am, myself Shubham and I am from Ankleshwar, Gujarat. And yes, I came by a consultancy, the education consultancy, and I am really having a really good and positive feedback regarding you all.
Okay, thank you, Super. So, what about the university?
Yeah, the university is really great. The education system, the level of organization, how they teach you, the method of the teaching, like they give us various presentations, the practicals, the examination. Yeah, if they're teaching, like they give us various presentations, the practicals, the examination. Yeah, they are exactly.
Which year?
Right now, I'm in the first semester, first year.
Okay, first year.
Yes.
Okay, on which date you have been arrived here?
Yeah, I arrived in November, like 14th.
This November 2019?
Yes, in this November.
Okay. What about culture of this state? I mean, Kutaisi.
Kutaisi, as you know, like this climate of the Kutaisi is really beautiful. It's actually like the cultural hub of Georgia. People are so well behaved. Like so in the matter of cleanliness, yes, they are the perfect. The crime rates are really low, and they are really helpful. Like it's not like that you are an Indian or you are from somewhere else, so they won't help you. They greet you like they greet each other. Yes, it's really safe. Like the crime rate of this Georgia is like 0% or 3%. That's really low.
Okay. everything where you are staying here, right?
Yeah, right now I'm having my own apartment and I cook my food, but if you don't know how to, then there are tiffin facilities, various hostel facilities, and everything we need over here.
Okay. You want to say something for upcoming students?
Yeah, for upcoming students, yes, it will be really good if you come via the education consultancy, and for sure this university is one of the best university in Georgia.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me about yourself.
Hi, I'm Derek and I'm from Tamil Nadu, India.
Okay. And Derek, how you come to know about education consultancy?
We were going through the internet about all these places, and when we came to know about Georgia, this consultancy was the top choice over there. So
Okay.
yeah, that's
Okay. And can you share some experience with the education consultancy? You're all processing, visa processing, and everything is good?
yeah, it went fine. Everything went fine. No problems over there.
Okay. And what about university? It's all good here?
Yeah, the university it's good. When compared to other destinations that we could take, this is better.
Okay.
And yeah, overall it's good.
Okay,
So far
thank
it's
you.
been good.
Thank you.
Hello friends, this is my another student. His name is Dhananjay Misra and he is from Ankleshwar. Right now he is studying in third year, 5th sem, right? So Dhananjay, tell us about the university and study system and everything.
University is very much cooperative, and starting from infrastructure is quite very much satisfactory, and the university is very much thinking about establishing new buildings also, and advancing towards the proliferative things which are going to be available for the new students. And since I came to this university, at that time there were available much things, but university started giving those things as we asked them to do so. Talking about the system is very much built up, and teachers are very much eager to tell students about their problems, and in studies also they are very much cooperative, and the comprehensive things which are being given to the students are very much okay, and we are also trying to learn new things from the university library which are being provided by the university in the campus. And the campus is quite large, and it has been distributed to various number of buildings at various places in the Kutaisi. And about the peace and about the living habitat here, the people are very much cooperative, and we can live easily here. Very much Indian food is available, and since I'm a Gujarati, I'm also foodie and also vegetarian. So for me, it is very much necessary to get vegetarian food here, which is quite available in the market. So for me, there's not such a big deal to live here. And about the cumulative studies, the surgeons are also very much good. In third year, the students are provided with the surgeons, and although there are some advances and some we know that every coin has two faces. So we are provided with dummies, not with real bodies, and they are being given in every country outside India. It is very much available in India only. And the rest of the things, the surgeons are also very good. They let you do their practices and sutures, and the batches is made in quite small number of students, so there won't be very much problem in gathering students. And about the students from other countries also. They are very much cooperative and friendly. So till now, all in all, I don't have any kind of issues studying here, and I'm very much satisfied, and I'm happy that I chose Sir to send me here. Thank you.
અમારા બીજા સ્ટુડન્ટ છે હેનિલ અને હર્મિસ, બંનેઓ સુરત ગુજરાતી છે, બંને ટ્વિન્સ છે. તો હેનિલ, તમે ક્યારે અહીંયા આવ્યા હતા?
मैं यहाँ फेब 14 અહીંયા આવ્યો.
ઓકે, ફેબ 14 લાસ્ટ યરની
Yeah, last
ફેબમાં
year, yeah.
તમે આવ્યા હતા. તો તમારો એક્સપિરિયન્સ કેવો રહ્યો હતો ડ્યુરિંગ ડોક્યુમેન્ટેશન્સ ને બધા?
ડોક્યુમેન્ટેશન અમારું વોઝ વેરી સિમ્પ્લિફાઈડ. બહુ જ સિમ્પલ રીતે એકદમ આસાન રીતે થઈ ગયેલું. તમે અમને ડોક્યુમેન્ટ માંગતા અમે આપી દીધા, તમે અમને ડોક્યુમેન્ટ આપી દીધા, સામે ખતમ.
તમને કોઈ ડિફિકલ્ટીઝ પડેલી, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ વિઝાથી લઈને કશામાં?
નથી.
ઓકે, પછી તમને અહીંયા જ્યારે લેન્ડ થયા તમને ઘણા બધા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ હતા તમારા મમ ડેડ ને બધાને,
Yeah.
તો અહીંયા આવીને તમને પછી કેવું ફીલ થયું?
ના, એવરીથિંગ વોઝ ફાઇન, કુલ.
ઓકે, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ થયો છે તમને અહીંયા આવીને? ઓકે. હર્મિસ, તમારું શું કેવું છે?
સેમ જો મારા ભાઈએ બધું જોયેલું, મારું ડૉક્ટરે બધું તમને શીખી દીધું અને એવું બધું કરેલું. એન્ડ એક કહેવા માંગીશ કે હમણાં સુધી જેટલા પણ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ અહીંયા આવેલા છે, તમારા આપણા એજન્સી જે તમે જે છો એજ્યુકેશન કન્સલ્ટન્સી, એનાથી કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ કોઈને નથી આવ્યો હમણાં સુધી.
ઓકે.
સો સૌથી બેસ્ટ તો અમે જ છે, અમને કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ પડેલી નહીં. સો
ઓકે,
ઇટ્સ ગુડ.
તો તમે સેટિસ્ફાઈડ છો?
અરે બહુ જ.
અને લાઈક સ્ટડી સિસ્ટમ એન્ડ અહીંના પ્રોફેસર્સ ને બધાથી?
બહુ સારા છે, જે કોઓપરેટિવ છે. એન્ડ સિસ્ટમ એઝ કમ્પેર ટુ અધર યુનિવર્સિટી ઇઝ ગુડ.
ઓકે, કોઈ લેંગ્વેજનું બેરિયર કેવું કંઈક થાય છે અહીંયા જ્યારે તમારા લેક્ચર્સ કે લેબ કેવું ચાલતું હોય એમાં?
ના 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 ના, બધું ઇંગ્લિશમાં જ છે, બધું ઇંગ્લિશ લેંગ્વેજમાં જ છે.
ઓકે, લાઈક યુનિવર્સિટી બી ગુડ છે,
Yeah,
સારી છે,
everything is good.
એન્ડ ગવર્મેન્ટ યુનિવર્સિટી છે.
હા, તો એ બી બેસ્ટ છે કે ભાઈ કોઈ પણ રૂલ્સ કે કંઈક ચેન્જ આપણે એફેક્ટ કંઈ ના પડે.
ઓકે, અને સિટી વાઇઝ શું કેવું છે તમારું હેની?
Yes, it is very good.
સિટી સેફ છે, બધું મળી રહે છે?
અમે રાત્રે 4 વાગે કરીએ છીએ.
ઓકે ઓકે, તો તમને કોઈ અત્યારે ખરાબ અનુભવ કે એવું કંઈક થયું નથી? તો તમે કોઈ અપકમિંગ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને મેસેજ આપવા માંગો છો?
Yes, sure, you must come here. Best.
તમે આવી શકો છો. બેસ્ટ ઓપ્શન આ જ છે. જોર્જિયામાં મને તો બેસ્ટ ઓપ્શન આ જ લાગ્યું. બિકોઝ ગવર્મેન્ટ છે ને એક પહેલાં કેપિટલ હતું એક કહેવાય છે આ, તો ક્વાઇટ પ્લેસ પણ છે ખાસી. સો સારું છે, આ બેસ્ટ છે મારા માટે.
ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.